Oriri ndereti ya mutaratara wa kigina ithiete na mbere na guakiriria guku bururi-ini, atongoria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga nimeyumiritie gutetera mutaratara uyu makiuga ni wa kuuna muingi. Mumbunge wa Gichugu Gichimu Githinji oritie akenya kwaga guthikiriria mwena wa mung'ethaniro kuona makoretwo makihingisha Kenya.
Let us give this government time. Na tusisikize sana opposition, kwa sababu opposition wanachukuanga kakitu kale, wanaona haka ndiko kata weka akili ya mwananchi, ya ndio kataharibu akili yako. Kama sasa hao watu watuambii kwa finance bill gas haitakuwa na tax, gas yenye kila mtu hapa anatumianga gas.
Gichimu ugite hari mutaratara uyu wa kigina indo iria ciumaga na nja wa bururi nicio ikuongerwo magoti niguo ciambiririe guthondekerwo guku bururi-ini, undu uria uguthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi. Riu akiuria akenya kwe thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ihinda
indo iria ciothe ithondekagwa guku Kenya tuthika import niciongererwe indo iria ciumaga nja na no tuthondekere guku tuongerere goti nigethi indo icio ikithondekerwo guku andu itu makona mawira.
Mwena-ini wake mumbunge wa Ndia George Kariuki na murunawe wa Mwea mirima ingi makiuga ino noyo njira iria thirikari ingiona mbeca cia kurehe uthii wa na mbere.
If we continue doing things the way we were doing it last year but one ama hiyo serikali ingine, and we want William Ruto to give us better results, tutakuwa tunajidanganya. So we must allow the government to make hard decisions. We must allow the government to make a few unpopular decisions, but decisions that will help our country move forward.
That bill comes to Parliament. We are going to consider all your views and we are going to do as you wish. But remember, the only way the government can have money for development is through taxation.
Atongoria ya maritio hindi igongona ria mahoya kanitha-ini wa KAG mwena wa Thagana Ndia kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, Gitagwo Wainaina wa Kiaririe.